Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a YouTuber tag. I just watched Jessica or Jam Beauty, her take on this tag. I just watched it earlier today. This is called the Perfect Subscriber tag and it was created by Katie Marie. I will have Jessica's video linked down below as well as Katie's video linked down below, plus the questions in case you are interested in creating this tag for yourself. So, perfect subscriber tag. Am I a perfect subscriber? Let's find out. So question number 1, do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel or video? Or do you try a few videos first? Typically I know right away if I like the creator or not, if their personality is vibing with mine, and if I like the content that they're creating. So typically it usually really just is like a one type of video type of thing. There are some cases where I'm like, okay, I kind of like this video, but I'm not sure if, you know, I want to subscribe or not, and then I'll watch a few more if they pique my interest. But typically I'm like, okay, I like you, I'm gonna subscribe. So I have found a lot of really cool people just through like different groups on Facebook or even on Instagram, and just kind of subscribed right away because I knew that I liked their personality or their style or their type of videos. So usually yes, right away. Sometimes, occasionally, I will try out a few videos first. Question number 2, does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe? Honestly, no. I think Jessica said it really well in her video. She was talking about how it's kind of just white noise. Like everyone says it, I say it occasionally. I don't think I say it in all my videos, and maybe I do and it's just like robotic for me to say it. But it doesn't ever sway me to subscribe. It doesn't sway me to not subscribe. It's just, it's said and it's kind of there and I just block it out, I guess. Number 3, how many channels do you have the notification bell turned on for? I honestly don't know, maybe 2. If that, people say hit the notification bell. I've said it a few times, but I don't do it. I'm on YouTube so much just browsing, so I usually always see the videos that I want to watch put out by the creators that I love and enjoy, or I check their Instagram or their Instagram stories and I see that they've uploaded, but I don't typically miss videos. I might not be able to watch it right then and there right after they upload, but I will watch it, you know, in the next few days or week or so. But that's about it. Number 4, do you watch every video from your subscription feed or only your favorites? I typically watch my favorites first, and then if there's anything kind of residual left over, I subscribe to so many different influencers though that my feed is always full. So I will watch like my favorite influencers, I'll watch their videos first, and then if I'm cleaning or doing dishes or whatever, then I'll put on some videos from other influencers. That's not like to try and make it seem like some influencers are better than others. There's just some that, you know, I connect with on a different level, and so I want to put forth more personal effort to watch their videos, if that makes sense. Number 5, how many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? I think that goes to the notification bell one, where I will watch the video, I just might not be able to watch it right then and there. So there's maybe 5 channels who I absolutely love, and I will always make sure to watch every single one of their videos that they upload. So about 5 is the ones that I know I'm gonna see, and then whatever I watch after that is just bonus. What kind of commenter are you? I do like to leave comments on most videos, just letting them know I appreciate their video, or I appreciate what they taught me, or telling them something in response to a question that they've asked in the video. I do like to comment, as well as when I get comments on my own videos, I like to go ahead and comment and reply back and hopefully engage in conversation with you guys. So I'm an active commenter. I really like that feature of YouTube, to be able to interact with influencers and with subscribers. Number 7, do you skip ads or watch? Depends. Sometimes I will purposefully skip commercials if they're talking about like car insurance or life insurance or something that I genuinely don't care about. Usually the ones that are more makeup or beauty related, I will watch those, or I let them play through and I don't bother skipping them. But it's the really boring ones that have no purpose in my life at that moment where I will, if there's an option to, I will skip it. Do you speed up videos? No. I know that that is a feature. I've never used it, nor do I plan to use it. I watch the videos that I click on because they bring joy into my life and because I enjoy that content or I enjoy that creator. So I don't understand what would be the purpose of me skipping it, because then I'd be missing out on what I'm there to watch. Number 9, do you click affiliate links or use affiliate codes? Every once in a while I will. I don't do a whole lot of shopping online, just because like money's been tight for quite a while now, but I will sometimes check out affiliate links or affiliate codes and be like, okay, in the future when I have a little extra income, then I will come back and I will use this. But that's just in general. I don't have the funds available right now to go ahead and do a lot of purchasing online or excessive spending, so not really. I don't really click on anyone's affiliate links. If I know that they have one for something that I'm interested in, I will refer back to it later, but I'm not actively clicking on links or codes. What's your preference when it comes to video length? What is my sweet spot? Make it as long as you want, make it as short as you want. I personally prefer longer videos, like over 10 minutes, because I tend to do a lot of watching while I'm doing my makeup, and that takes time, and I enjoy that me time to just kind of watch and relax and unwind a little bit, and so I really enjoy those. Danny from Coffee Break with Danny, she puts out these vlogs like every other Saturday or something, and they're usually over an hour, and I love those. I'll watch those all the way through. I'm currently watching an 11th Gorgeous video right now where Tracy and Stephanie are doing the truthful YouTuber tag, and it's about 51 minutes, and I've been loving it. I've had to take a couple breaks here and there to get some food or clean something up or whatever, but I love long videos. The longer, honestly, to me, the better. Sometimes I want a short little video if I know I've got something going on very, very soon. Then I prefer a shorter video just so I can still have something to watch and I don't have to pause it and come back to it later. But I love long videos. Number 11, do you thumbs up most videos? Yes, I do, because I appreciate the effort that these creators went to create this video. As a creator myself, I see the effort that it takes not only to upload, to come up with these ideas, to create the video, to film it, to edit it, to upload it. It's a long process, and I use that thumbs up all the time to really show my appreciation and dedication to the creators that I watch and support them, because they should know that their videos are important and that they're worth watching and that they mean something to me, and that I appreciate all the time and effort that it took for them to put that up. So yes, I use thumbs up all the time. Number 12, do you ever thumbs down a video? No, very rarely. I think I've done it maybe 3 times, and it's only when it's something that I super strongly disagree with, or I felt like they were bullying in that video, something like that. But typically I don't give my effort to put the thumbs down. I feel like people know if they're purposely creating a video that's controversial or kind of questionable in content, I guess. And I typically don't even watch those types of videos, but there have been some. Like there was a creator who I saw, she appeared on my feed, and I fell in love with her content, and I was watching video after video, and then she put up a video kind of bashing smaller influencers. Like it was not necessary at all, and basically calling smaller influencers out for not being worth anything, essentially. Like, we're not going to amount to anything because we don't have a larger fan base or subscriber base. And I was like, that's not necessary. So that video, that one in particular, I think was the last one I did, it got a thumbs down, because I was like, what is the point of throwing these smaller content creators under the bus when they're just trying their best to either make a living or to share their love of whatever it may be with other people? There's no need to speak about them this way. It's unkind, it's uncalled for, and it was just not necessary. So I very rarely use the thumbs down button, only if it's something that I feel like is attacking someone or attacking another channel, things like that. Then I'm like, okay, we're gonna pause, we're gonna thumbs down, we're gonna leave. But overall, I'm not big on thumbs down, huge on giving thumbs up to show appreciation though. Number 13, this is the final question. Do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? No, I don't know why I don't. I watch them for my pleasure, and that's about it. I've shared like vocally or verbally with friends some of my favorite creators or YouTubers and their videos, but I've never really shared a certain creator's video on my social media. I don't really have a reason as to why I haven't. I'm kind of bad at sharing my own content. I'm trying to get better at that. But it's not any personal reason why I don't share other creators' content. It's something that doesn't occur to me, I guess. So to answer that question, no, I don't. I don't have a reason for you why I don't, but maybe I should, I guess. So anyway, that is all the questions for this tag. It was really fun to film, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will have Jessica's video linked down below, as well as Katie's and their channels, and then I will have the questions down below as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and you know, just in my robotic voice, gonna say subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you